Thank you. If you can copy it,
that's a priority run.
33A, George's Zone Climb. Then white long brown hair and jeans jumping in the street trying to get vehicles to stop. Another one says he has a 33A and running it in vehicles.
Thanks. What are you doing? This is not the way you go.
Said he already called and asked what L did he give, and he called and said thank you because I don't know where I am. Asked for the L again. He said, well, I was in the area and left. And then I said, this guy's acting stupid. Another call from county said person with a knife is in the Turkey Hill.
He's in the Turkey Hill?
Yeah.
Saying that the male came into the Turkey Hill and was threatening everybody and then hung up.
Witness at Turkey Hill, sitting went southbound on Georgesville in a green Hyundai, male Hispanic in a green hoodie.
A green Hyundai?
Yeah.
In a green Hyundai?
Yeah. This is it.
Yeah, he stopped in the middle of the road.
9190 right behind him.
Okay. 87.
He just stopped here, so.
Hey, put the knife down!
Put it down now!
9190. He's got a knife in his hand and he's just kind of hanging into his own collar. Hey! Manos arriba! Just hey! Stay back!
Stay there!
Stay back! Stay back!
Give us a 3. We need more cars. We need traffic shut down coming to the north.
And pull up the cruiser. I'm with you. You got your right. Drop the guy!
91911.
Stop! Drop the knife!
What the fuck? You got radio? He's about to.
Yeah, now he's back in the
Hey, get in your car.
Taking off northbound.
It's not really going that fast. Just northbound on Georgesville here.
I copy. Chopper to 3, please. Chopper to 3.
Yeah, we're just going about 15 miles an hour northbound on Georgesville, passing the Tim Hortons here from Climb Road North.
Okay.
If we get out of the car again, you take the driver's seat.
Okay.
On my rifle.
Okay, if a car can get up to Old Sullivan, they might be able to spike it. I don't know. He's just going about 15 miles an hour. Coming up to Old Sullivan right now. I think 103 is going to try to get in front of him.
He looked like he was about to try to hit him.
9191, we're going to try to get spikes out here at Sullivan, Georgesville.
Nope, gonna go west.
Well, disregard that. We're going to go westbound on Sullivan. Still about 15 to 20 miles an hour. I think he's kind of stuck in traffic here. Westbound on Old Sullivan.
Stop, hold on.
9102, code 1, I'm on the 3.
Hey! Manos arriba! Manos arriba! Hands up! I don't know if that's a knife. Manos arriba! Manos arriba!
He's just gonna hit. What is 103 doing? He's trying to get ahead and spike it. And now he's chasing him. The car is.
All right, he got out of the car. Now he's back in the car.
He's trying to catch up to 103.
He's trying to catch up to 103. He's driving on the wrong side of the road, passing Country Brook Drive West. We're still going 25 miles an hour, going over the railroad tracks.
Yeah. Anybody or he's just armed as he's threatening him just himself?
He's threatening.
Well, he was threatening some other people. He just pulled up to another car. We're stopped in the middle of the intersection of Industrial Mile and Old Sullivan here. He's getting back out of the car.
Hey! Manos arriba! Manos arriba!
I'm just ahead of him. I got spikes ready.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Hey! 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 Hey!
Taser, taser, taser.
Taser, taser, taser! Hey! Taser again! Hey, stop! Stop, stop, stop! Crossfire, crossfire! Manos arriba! Hey! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Hey, get back here. No. Hey, go! Go! Hey! Taser, taser, taser! Stop! Taser again! Stop!